video, we are going to look at how we can link our media. I know that some students have reported that they've lost their files and they get this big red scary box and they're not sure what it means. And after today's video, you'll know what that means. So I have a project open and I have this video file, the Chicago flag, that I was able to get from our friends over at iStock. And if I were to move this file, currently the video for my Chicago flag footage is in my project file folder in Creative Cloud. If I go ahead and take that footage and move it somewhere else, here I'm going to drop it into the hard drive of my computer in a different location, New Documents. The file goes out of my Creative Cloud folder and onto the Documents folder of my hard drive. Now Premiere Pro doesn't know where it is. I have this red box that says Media Offline and all these different languages. It says Premiere Pro is telling me I don't know where to find this file. Over here in my project window, you can see it says Chicago flag. There's my file, and Premiere Pro doesn't know where it is. It doesn't even know what it is. It's lost. It's gone. What do? I locate it. To locate this file, we want to right-click on it, and down here, Link Media. We need to tell Premiere Pro where to find that particular piece of media. So I'm going to click Locate, and it's going to bring up, where'd you put it? Well, I know that I put it in my Documents folder. So I twirl down, find Documents, click. There it is. Left click on my file, come down here, click OK. It's back. Yay! And I was able to tell Premiere Pro where to find it. Let's look at another example. Let me open up my recent folder. I already moved all of these stock video files out of the folder where I had them stored. So you can see when I first start up my project, I get the red box and all my media is gone. I've lost everything. Oh no, what do? Well, it's not gone. I just moved it and I need to tell Premiere Pro where I moved it to. So the program automatically brought up this, hey, do you want to find it? Yes, I do. If you don't want to, you can click offline and it'll just give you that red box for that piece until you want to locate it later. You can offline all and then they all stay red, but I want to locate them. Locate. And these I also moved to my Documents folder. So find them in my Documents. There they are, right in here. So I'm going to click on that folder. And it brings that up. Now it's finding just this one piece. When I click Search, click OK. Not only did it find that one clip, but it found all of the other clips that were associated with it. Premiere Pro is pretty good at looking into the general area where you send it to find files. And if it can find one, it'll search around in that directory to try to find others and automatically link them for you. So there you have it. We saw how we can locate lost media, link lost media, and get rid of the big, scary red box. That's all for this episode. We'll see you in the next one.